So they basically are giving us the vertex of a parabola, and they're also telling us to figure out what the coefficients of the equation of the parabola would possibly be equal to. Okay, so first things first, we're going to rewrite the equation in vertex form. So I'm going to put my coefficient a here, x minus 9 squared, because that goes where the x coordinate of the vertex is, and then minus 14 because that's the y coordinate of the vertex. Now we are going to expand this out. So we're going to get y is equal to a times x squared minus 18x plus 81 minus 14. And now we're going to distribute the a. So we get y is equal to ax squared minus 18ax plus 81a minus 14. So now we know what a is equal to. A is obviously going to be equal to a. B is going to be equal to minus 18a. And then c is going to be equal to 81a minus 14. Okay, so therefore a plus b plus c is going to be equal to a minus 18a plus 81a minus 14. Okay, therefore we can simplify this a little bit, so that becomes 17a, or negative 17a, negative 17 plus 81, that is going to be 64a minus 14. All right, now the hint that they give us is that the parabola intersects the x-axis at 2 points, right? So our point down here is actually below the x-axis because we have a negative y value. So you can imagine that our parabola is somewhere and it's opening upwards, right? Because it intersects the x-axis at 2 points, right? So given that we know that the parabola is opening upwards, we know that a has to be greater than 0. Okay, so we can use this to our advantage. And now we kind of just have to guess and check and see which one of these answer choices, when set to the value of a plus b plus c, right? Because that's basically what 64a minus 14 represents. We want one value from the answer choices such that a is a positive number when we solve for a, right? So I'm going to try doing it with d. Let's see if we can solve for a using d and get a positive value for a, right? So 64a minus 14 is equal to minus 12. Then 64a is equal to 2, or a is equal to 2 over 64. And that's a positive value, so there is our answer.